Battery cell production is one of the key topics Festo is working on during this year and the upcoming years. In this dynamic fair display, we are showing the challenges the battery industry is working with. And those are productivity, safety and security. Please consider the battery cell itself is a highly sensitive workpiece, so it needs to be handled very sensitive and very securely. Festo is demonstrating this with this integrated approach, starting from the gripper, seamlessly going down over the entire handling systems into process control in the process chambers and down to the remote networks and to controls and diagnostics themselves. Thanks for your attention and hope to see you soon talking about battery cell production and other topics as well.